Okay, at 1:44 a.m., a call of building and fire was received at the Spanish Town Fire Station. A unit was dispatched, and on its arrival here at 1:54 a.m., the dwelling house was seen on fire. They requested help, and another unit was dispatched from the Waterford Fire Station. And during the firefighting operation, they observed that 3 bodies were laying on the veranda. And they were able to bring the fire under control, implement cooling down operation. And on entering the building, a 4th body was found in the bathtub in the bathroom. Apparently that person was trying to use the bathroom water to maybe ease the heat of her, but she died in the bathroom. The brigade was able to carry out cooling down operation, and we are now in the process of, our fire investigators were invited, and they are on the way to determine what had caused the fire. The building is constructed from concrete and steel with zinc roofing, a fairly sturdy building. And for it to burn that rapidly, as the team told me, I found it rather strange. Oh, from what my officers told me, they did not observe, because I think those 3 persons were burnt beyond recognition. So, and nothing on the lady in the bathroom, the one that died in the bathroom, to say that it was that she sustained any injury or not.
Could it that they were trapped in there and couldn't come out?
Yes, I think basically what happened, it seems as they reached the grill and they could not get out. And that's what happened. The other lady now ran to the bathroom, maybe trying to be safe in that there, but the fire spread rapidly and destroyed the entire structure.